splendid things I plan are unspiritualized, are in the shifting sand. I live but not understand the naked light of day, and only now I see how the years have run away. Yes, someday when I was young, there were so many songs that I wanted to be sung. So many ways the mountains, the lands are burning. I'm so much pain, my dazzled eyes refuse to see. I run so fast the time, and you what lies behind, and every conversation, and how we can go, and there it's a good moon, and nothing matters at all. Yesterday, when I was a child, so many happy songs were ready to be sung. So many so much pain, there's a lie. We used to see the game of love and play with arrogance and pride, and every so quickly, quickly time. The friends I met all seemed somehow to drain away, and only now I yesterday, when I was child, so many happy songs were waiting to be sung. So many wild passions store for me.